Hi, I am Genevieve from Davao City, Philippines, and I am posting this video for TheHubPost.com. That's TheHubPost.com. And today I'm going to show you how to make a delicious Filipino dish called chicken afritada. Now here's our ingredients. Tomatoes, this is optional, bay leaves and pepper, salt to taste, red bell pepper chunks, chicken cut into serving sizes, carrots chunks, that's hot dog, potato chunks, afritada powder, or you can also use tomato sauce and chicken stock for flavoring, cloves of garlic, medium onion chunks, and an optional of a chili sword. Here are all the ingredients for today. So let's start how to cook a chicken afritada. First, heat the cooking oil in a pan or wok. Once it heats, then we will now put fry fry the chicken. Once it's simmered for 10 to 15 minutes or until it's tender, let's set aside. Using the same pan, let's saute garlic, onions, potatoes, carrots, and hot dog in a pan. After we add all of it, add water and then the chicken. And next we have the afritada powder, or you can also use tomato sauce and chicken stock and let it simmer and stir occasionally. Let's simmer it for another 5 minutes or once it boils. Next we put in the bay leaf and pepper and then the chili sword. Lastly we have the bell pepper, salt to taste, and tomatoes. Now let's simmer it, and once the potato is already tender, then we will remove it from the heat and transfer to a serving bowl. Tada is ready to serve. Hope you like it. For procedures and complete ingredients, you may check the description below. Thank you.